Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna unbox and try on 3 pair of shoes. It's the Rob Loafer from Playboy Footwear. So first out we have the black ones. I bought one pair in each color available. At least to my knowledge these does not exist in any other color. It says these are handmade in Portugal, and honestly I think these are some of the most comfortable loafers that I have ever worn. Next up we have a pair in the navy color. Funny thing is, the price of these aren't that high. They list for about 160 euros, but these were on sale, so I paid only close to half of that for each pair. As you can see on these ones, they fade a little into a lighter color due to the suede. Last but not least, we have the beige ones, and after this I will try them on.